Hello, everybody. It is reading time again. And guess where you're at today? Today, you are at my house. I am here making the video because I'm not at school. So I am doing it from my home. If you look around my house, you will see lots of chickens. Can you see the chicken over here? And this one here? And if you look really close, you can see a chicken up there. And look over there, you'll see a chicken over there. If you look really close right on top of the cupboard over there, you'll see another chicken up there. I like chickens, so I have lots of chickens in my house. Today we are going to be doing a worksheet called Hats Full of Ending Sounds. It looks like this. It has a whole bunch of hats on it. Those hats are for snowmen, okay? So get your name at the top. That's the very first thing you have to do. And then we will get started. We're going to write the big letter and the little letter for each one of these. They're ending sounds. Okay? Are you ready? Well, let's get started. That king is wearing what? He's wearing a crown. Crown. Let's put it on our arm so we can listen for the ending sound. Crown. That's an N sound. And what number was that one? Number 1. Okay? N sound. We start way up at the top because we always start at the top. We go down to the grass line and then pick your pencil back up, go up to the top, slanty down, straight up. Check it out. Make sure yours is right. And the little N starts at the plane line, goes down to the grass line, comes right back up that line, over and down to the grass line. All right. Check yours. Make sure it's right so that you don't get it. I'm going to check. Okay. Next one. That is the moon. The moon. Look at what number it is. Number 2. Let's put moon on our arm. Ready? Moon. Another N. Are you ready to do it? Okay, start up at the top. Straight down. Pick up your pencil. Slanty down, straight up. Little one, down to the grass line, back up, bump your head over and down. Oh, they look the same. They match. Next one. Oh my gosh, look at what number I've got. 3. Are we going in order this time? I don't even know. We'll have to wait and see. What is this? It's a robot. Robot. Let's put it on our arm. Are you ready? Robot. That's what it ends with, is a T. We have to put a T on our paper. Are you ready? Tall T, cross it at the top. That's our big letter T. Little letter T starts at the top, at the skyline, goes down to the grass line, and we cross it right at the plane line. All right, let's go to the next one. Hey, it's number 4. This is a wagon. 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 It ends with an N. So we have to do that big letter N again. Straight line down, lift up your pencil, slanty down, straight up. And the little letter N starts at the plane line, down, come back up, bump your head, over and down. Make sure they're on those lines. Next one. You have to ring that thing. What is it? It's a bell. 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 Ends with an L. L is easy. Starts at the skyline, down to the grass line, over, right on the grass line. And then the little letter L looks like a number 1, just a straight line down from the top to the bottom. Okay, next one. Ooh, what's he standing in? Mud. And this is number 6. Mud. Mud. Ends with a D. Straight line down to the grass line. Pick up your pencil, go back up to the skyline, and make one belly that goes all the way down to the grass line. That's our big D. Little d starts at the plane line. You go around up to the top of the roof and then down the chimney. Okay. Number 7. This is a bus. Bus. Ends with what? Bus. Ends with an S. You ready? Go around to the plane line and then around to the grass line. Little letter S just goes around and around. They both touch the grass line though, so make sure yours do. Okay. Uh-oh. Guess what? I have number 9 now. Not number 8, so we have to skip one. Number 9 is a web. Web. What does web end with? Yeah, that's a B. So we're going to go down here to number 9. Are you ready? Straight line down to the grass line. Back up. Make one belly that goes to the plane line. One belly that goes to the grass line. That's your big letter B. Little letter B starts up tall at the skyline, goes down to the grass line, come back up to the plane line, and then around to the grass line. All right. Well, I haven't found 8 yet. Here's number 10. It's a hat. Hat. What does hat end with? That's a T. Okay, straight line down, go up and cross it at the skyline. Little letter T, straight line down, cross it at the plane line. Uh-oh, we're going to skip one again. I have number 12 now. This is a car. Car. What does car end with? That's an R. Okay, straight line down, go back up to the skyline, go around to the plane line, and then one long leg to kick with down to the grass line. Little letter R goes down. Come back up and then stop. Number 13. Look at that one. That's a fox. Fox. What does fox end with? Ends with an X, doesn't it? We start at the skyline, slanting down to the grass line that way. Start at the skyline, slanting down to the grass line that way. Do the same thing for a little letter X, only you start at the plane line, slanting down to the grass line, slanting down to the grass line. All right. Uh-oh. Now we're going back to number 11. Look at this one. This is a tag. Tag. What does tag end with? That's our G, right? Okay, get in your garbage trucks. Are you ready? Go up and around the block. Get all the way over to the driveway. back in, beep, 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 jump out of your truck. G, you have a lot of garbage. Okay, little letter G goes around, back up, tie it up, down to the worm line and hook. Oh, now we have number 14. This is a girl. Girl. What does girl end with? Oh, that's an L. Straight line down and over on the grass line. And little letter L looks like a number 1. Oh, here's 15. That is a tent. Tent. It's the thing that you sleep in outside. Tent. What does tent end with? That ends with a T. It starts with a T too, but it ends with a T. Straight line down, cross it at the top. Little letter T. Straight line down, cross it in the middle. Okay. Number 16. Oh, that'd be fun. It's a sled. Sled. What does sled end with? A D. Sled. Tall D. Goes all the way down to the grass line, goes back up to the sky line, and a belly that goes down to the grass line. Little letter D starts at the plane line. You go around all the way to the top of the roof, down the chimney. I found number 8. Number 8 is right here. It's a drum. A drum. M. Straight line down, go back up, slanty down, slanty up, straight down. Remember, don't go all the way down into the middle of that, or don't go down all the way to the grass line in the middle. And then our little letter M starts at the plane line, down, come up, bump your head, come up, bump your head. All right. And we have them all done. Now, if you still have time, you can flip your paper over and write your sight words on the back. Which sight words do we have? We have R. See if you can remember how to spell it. We have C. How about what? That's a hard one. What? How about you? How about and? With. The. Like. My. Me. We. I'm trying to think of the other ones. I don't know. You're going to have to think of them. Keep writing. You've got 16 of them. Keep writing until you have them all, if you have time. All right? Talk to you later.